Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Squarespace website easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Squarespace website. Log in to your Squarespace account. If you don't have an account, click on Get Started to create a new one. Choose a template that suits your project's style and needs. Customize your chosen template using the built-in tools. Upload your logo and any images you plan to use. Edit text sections to reflect your content. Use the drag and drop feature to rearrange elements as desired. Navigate to the Pages section on the left sidebar. Add new pages by clicking the plus icon. Select the type of page you want to create, such as a standard page or a gallery. Connect your social media accounts in the settings for better integration. Ensure your navigation menu is user-friendly and intuitive. Preview your website by clicking the Preview button. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview experience. Once satisfied, go to the Settings section and select Domains. If you have a domain, follow the prompts to connect it to your Squarespace website. If you need a new domain, you can purchase one directly through Squarespace. Set up your site's SEO settings under the Marketing section. Ensure that all pages have relevant titles and descriptions. Review all content for accuracy and ensure all links work correctly. When ready, click on the Settings tab again. Scroll to the Site Availability section. Select Public to make your site live. Confirm your choice, and your Squarespace website will now be deployed. Celebrate your hard work and share your new website with the world. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.